Okay, this is a Bolens. I had it in my collection for a long time. Gonna be getting rid of it. Just making some videos so people get some references. If they're missing parts or need parts, they know what to look for. Pretty cool saw. The muffler's pretty cool on this. You don't see too many of them around. There is a couple different versions, or models I should say, of this. Zoom in on the plate there, so you know. This one's in pretty good condition. I don't know if it's sat seized or what. The recoil is kind of funny, but yeah, there's a Bolens chainsaw. So